Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra batteries pictured, tipping to 4,900 mAh and 5,000 mAh capacities. A new leak has revealed the batteries inside the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra smartphones. The images, which were shared by Tipster Ice Universe on Twitter, show the batteries with the model numbers EBBS926ABY and EBBS928ABY. The EBBS926ABY battery is said to have a rated capacity of 4,755 mAh, while the EBBS928ABY battery has a rated capacity of 4,855 mAh. This means that the Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra are likely to have batteries with typical capacities of 4,900 mAh and 5,000 mAh, respectively. These are significant increases over the batteries in the previous generation Galaxy S23 series. The Galaxy S23 has a 3,700 mAh battery, the Galaxy S23 Plus has a 4,500 mAh battery, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra has a 5,000 mAh battery. The larger batteries in the Galaxy S24 series are likely to be welcomed by users, as battery life has been a major complaint with the Galaxy S23 series. The Galaxy S24 series is expected to be announced in early 2023. The phones are rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and to have 12 GB of RAM. They are also expected to have 6.1-inch, 6.6-inch, and 6.8-inch AMOLED displays, respectively. The larger batteries in the Galaxy S24 series are a welcome improvement over the previous generation. With these larger batteries, users should be able to get more out of their phones on a single charge. This is especially important for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which has a large and power-hungry display. The Galaxy S24 series is shaping up to be a major upgrade over the Galaxy S23 series. The larger batteries, faster processors, and more RAM are all welcome improvements. Users will have to wait until early 2023 to see the phones for themselves, but the early leaks are promising.